What if I told you that you can live up to 120 or even 200 years, or even longer? And you can be healthier in your older years and not succumb to the negative effects of aging that arise as we get older. Longevity research and back science is now looking at aging in a completely different way. And it goes against everything that we've learned about aging and getting older. New studies have shown that aging simplified is just a loss of information, and we have more control over how we age than we may think. A new study of epigenetics, which is the study of how your behaviors and environment can cause changes that affect the way your genes work. Unlike genetic changes, epigenetic changes are reversible. Don't change your DNA sequence, but they can change how your body reads DNA sequence. It is vital and essential to consume the right things in your body that will keep your brain and body healthy, synergistically, and continue to help your cells regenerate. NAD+. New discoveries about longevity and about how we age comes down to something called NAD+. NAD+ stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. NAD+ is a coenzyme found in every cell in your body. Coenzyme is just a small molecule that works together with an enzyme to speed up a specific chemical reaction. NAD+'s main function is our mitochondria. The mitochondria produces energy for all of our cellular functions. In order to create energy, they work to produce a molecule called adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. ATP is essentially an energy storage molecule, or battery, that provides where and when the cell needs it. There are many ways our cells and mitochondria produce ATP. The most efficient way is called the electron transport train, which produces the majority of our cells' ATP needs. NAD+ is simply a delivery method, donating and accepting negatively charged electrons to and from several enzymes that sit patiently in the mitochondrial membrane. When it accepts these electrons, NAD+'s molecular structure changes to NADH. NADH has an H at the end because it has a positively charged hydrogen molecule added to its structure. Once they drop these electrons and expel the hydrogen proton, NADH turns into NAD+, indicating that the hydrogen molecule has now been wedged off its structure. After it drops it off, NAD+ has completed its purpose. The electrons power the enzymes in the mitochondrial membrane like electricity powers a factory. The enzymes work together like an assembly line, passing the electrons down to the next enzyme until they reach the last mechanism, ATP synthase. ATP synthase completes the process by building out the final package, ATP. ATP is sent throughout the cell, providing energy where needed. NAD+ is a vital electron carrier that essentially powers our mitochondria. NAD+ is essential if you want to have healthy longevity. And that's why it's highly suggested to consume supplements and foods that contain vitamin B3, such as mushrooms, fish, and green vegetables. NAD+ is a vital coenzyme naturally produced in the body that promotes cellular defense, resilience, and repair. As you age, NAD+ declines. That's why it's important to take supplements like Infinity. It's a good idea if you care about your health and longevity. And remember, it's not about living longer, it's about living longer and healthier.